Electrocardiography is the process of producing an electrocardiogram, a recording of the heart's electrical activity. It is an electrogram of the heart, which is a graph of voltage versus time of the electrical activity of the heart using electrodes placed on the skin. Purpose of electrocardiography. An egg records these impulses to show how fast the heart is beating. The rhythm of the heart beats steady or irregular, and the strength and timing of the electrical impulses as they move through the different parts of the heart. Changes in an egg can be a sign of many heart-related conditions. Stethoscope, a medical instrument for listening to the action of someone's heart or breathing. Typically having a small dish-shaped resonator that is placed against the chest, and two tubes connected to earpieces. The main purpose of stethoscope: a stethoscope can be used to listen to the sounds made by the heart, lungs, or intestines, as well as blood flow in arteries and veins. So I choose the pacemaker. The pacemaker is a kind of device that generates electrical impulses delivered by electrodes to cause the heart muscles chambers to contract and therefore pump blood. So the purpose of these devices that regulates the rate of which it beats, but some heart don't beat regularly, are called arrhythmia often. So thank you.
Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, a form of medical imaging that measures the response of the atomic nuclei of body tissues to high-frequency radio waves when placed in a strong magnetic field, and that produces images of the internal organs. So the purpose of these devices is use a powerful magnetic field, radio waves, and a computer to produce detailed picture of the inside of your body.
Sphygmomanometer is an instrument for measuring blood pressure, typically consisting of an inflatable rubber cap which applied to the arm and connect to a column of mercury next graduate scale, enabling to determination of systolic and systolic blood pressure by increasing or gradually releasing pressure in the cap. The measure blood pressure, your doctor uses instrument called a sphygmomanometer, which is more often referred to as blood pressure cup. The cup is wrapped around your upper arm and inflated to stop the flow of blood in your artery.
Computerized X-ray tomography. ACT scan or computed tomography scan is a medical imaging technique used in radiology to obtain detailed internal image of the body non-invasively for diagnostic purposes. The personnel that perform CT scan are called radiographer or radiology. The purpose: a procedure that uses a computer link to an X-ray machine to make a series of detailed pictures of area inside the body. The pictures are taken from different angles and are used to create three-dimensional views of tissues and organs.
Vibrators are devices that send the electric pulse or shock to the heart to restore a normal heartbeat. They are used to prevent or correct an arrhythmia, and every heartbeat that is too slow or too fast.
If the heart suddenly stops, vibrators can also help it beat again. Vibrators purpose. A vibrator is a device that gives a high energy electric shock to the heart of someone who is in cardiac arrest. The high energy shock is called vibrator. It is an essential part of trying to save the life of someone who is cardiac arrest.